Good morning. Sorry, my camera was about to die, so I didn't get a little bit of a morning video. I'm at work now. Don't know what today's gonna bring us. I'm feeling a lot better today, emotionally, mentally, physically. My legs are not in pain because of last leg day, so that's pretty cool. And emotionally, I'm doing a lot better. But always something better to work on. So, yeah, I don't know. I don't know what today's gonna bring us. We'll find out though, because every day's a new day. Make it the best day, and you'll be fine. So, I don't know what I'm gonna do today, but I'll show you guys what I'm doing. Camera's all charged. I'm gonna show you guys around the shop. Working on making the EcoBoost swap kit for the BRZ. Subaru, getting an engine build. This is the engine that's going in it. This is a WX right-hand drive with a LS turbocharged. In the process of making, Josh, our drifter slash fabricator, made all of the pipes and everything. Tube mounted front end, pretty cool. Raptor getting some stuff done on his fuel system. This is a EcoBoost swap 2.3 liter Fox body Mustang. We're currently in the process of putting a Link Voodoo G5 in this. We also just put in a new wiring harness, which is pretty cool. I know Jake was working on over the weekend getting this thing tuned so that way we can actually put it on the dyno and get it ready for the customer. S13 build, wide body kit, rest of the wide body kit. Josh has been putting the wide body kit on. Super old GTO, I don't remember the year, but we're putting a 2013 Camaro ZL1 motor in it, which is the LSA, supercharged LS motor. We're in the process of getting all the bits and bobs finished up, but that should be done here soon. And then got the E30, like I showed you guys in the other video. I'm currently working on this Silverado, which is different from the other Silverado. I have to take the TCM out of this and replace it with this TCM. And I have to remove the ECU to get to it because all the ECU goodies and everything are down in this little crevice, so I gotta take the fender liner out to get access to it. Then R33 GTR, pretty cool build, super dusty. It's been sitting here for a while, but yeah. Pretty much it. We got some other cars. We are in the process of EcoBoost swapping this G35 and getting the mounts ready for that, so that'll be pretty cool. So, got the TCM and ECM removed. Here they are. This is the ECM, this is the TCM. We are replacing this TCM with this one from HB Tuners. The reason is because this one is unlocked, which means it gives us the ability to actually tune the TCM. So we can get a trans tune in there. Because from factory, GM decided to make the torque converter intentionally slip, which, if you're familiar with any of these trucks, you know that it creates like this shudder almost. So hopefully after replacing this, it fixes all of our problems. But yeah, the TCM, horrible to try to remove. Horrible. The TCM is right behind this. The ECM is on this side, the TCM is on that side. And the only way to reach the TCM is if you remove the air box, if you have an aftermarket one, because this tube right here is in the way. So I had to remove the air box. Just barely, I had enough room to fit my fingers in there to get it to come out. But yeah, complete pain, but hopefully this solves our shutter issue. So I just watched Matt Sanford's YouTube video on how to replace a TCM. It's pretty important. If you're planning on doing this, highly recommend watching that video. Basically, you have to have the stock TCM installed first. Make sure you go to special functions inside of the beta scanner on HB Tuners. Click replace TCM. Yes, stock TCM still installed. Making sure that the stock TCM is in fact installed. You get a read from it, then it tells you to replace the TCM with the HB Tuners one, and then it wants you to load all of the solenoid information into that new one. So I just got the stock redone. I have to put the new TCM in right there. Once the new TCM's in, then I can finish this up and it should be all good to go. Just got the new TCM installed. Got the ECM back installed. So next step is to buy the tuning credits and then tune the TCM so it no longer has a shutter. Pretty much just have to zero out a table that tells the transmission to intentionally slip the torque converter for some reason, because GM decided that was a great idea. So zeroing out that table and then everything should be good and this customer should be on his way. Just got out of work. Not very cool. That Silverado I was working on has an aftermarket intake like I was saying and no tune for it. So it's very lean, like 20% lean. No bueno. No bueno indeed. I talked to the customer about it. Well, I didn't talk. I left him a voicemail. So I'm expecting a call from him. So that'll be a fun call. Yeah. About to go home, then go to the gym, get a good pump. I think I'm going to do legs and abs today because I think that's what's up next. I did back last and chest last. So I'm pretty sure legs and abs are the next up. Since I do arms on the same days I do chest and back. So, yeah. See you guys there. Oh shit, it got foggy.
Oh shit, we just pumped. Yeah, pump a clock. Oh shit.
Just got out of the gym. Good chest day.
Very good. Very good. Feeling very good. Yeah.
My chest is hurting hard.
My shoulders are really hurting. I need to hit push-ups tonight. Yeah.
Carson's about to go get some Taco Bell. I'm about to go eat a Philly cheesesteak. Tomorrow, we're making steaks.
And potatoes.
Yeah, hella potatoes.
And what do you call it? The little balls of like rice type shit. Couscous.
Oh, dude, I haven't had couscous in so long.
It's so good. I got 4 boxes of it. Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
All right. See you guys tomorrow. Don't have a great day. Make it a great day.
Make it a great day.